Good morning, students. Myself JP Maurya. Last week I have taught you the parts of speech and its kinds. As you know, the topic I have taught you, it was noun and its kind. Today we shall see the exercises of this topic that is given in your book. So based on the noun, you have to solve the exercises. So first at all, open your book on page number 23. Students of class 7, please pay attention. First, open your books on page 23 and go to the learning test. The first exercise is given. Underline all the nouns in the following sentences. Are they common or proper nouns? So, first exercise is given. You have to find out in the given sentences whether the given noun is common and proper, and you have to write it under the given columns. First sentence, do you like honey? First sentence is given, do you like honey? In this sentence, the noun word is honey and it is common noun. So, you have to write the common noun honey in the column common nouns. Honey, common noun. This sentence second thing is given, they stood next to the red fort. Here, the proper noun is red fort. So, write red fort under the column proper noun. May I borrow your pen drive? Here, pen drive, it is noun and it belongs to common noun. Pen drive, common noun. D. Their car was very fast. The car. Here, car is noun and it is also common noun. Jury did not agree with them. Jury, it is also common noun. Jury. She loves to visit Mumbai. In this sentence, noun is Mumbai and it is proper noun. Mumbai, proper noun. Would you like some more sambar? Sambar, it is common noun. Sambar, common noun. The soup was very thick. In this sentence, soup, it is noun and it also belongs to common noun. Soup, common noun. May I invite Tarun to join us? Tarun, it is proper noun. My laptop is quite new. Laptop, it is also common noun. So, in the given sentences, you have to write down given under columns of common noun and proper nouns which they belong to. Now go to the second question. Write each common noun under the correct heading. In this sentence, you are given a list of different types of common nouns. Now you have to categorize them under the column of things, animals, places and people. You have to write, for example, artist. Artist, it is a living being, it is a man. So you have to write it under the column people. Artist, people. In this way, cup, it is animal. Restaurant, it is a name of place. So you write down it under the column of place. Theater, place. University, it is also place. Sofa, thing. Goat, animal. Cup, animal. Lamb, thing. Teacher, people. Driver, people. Temple, place. Factory, place. Railway station, place. Axe, thing. Kid, animal. Television, things. Ladder, thing. Sailor, animal. Singer, animal. Farm, place. Hospital, place. Dog, animal. Truck, thing. Frog, animal. Pencil, thing. Train, things. Professor, People, plumber, people. Mall, place. Nursery, place. Puppy, animal. Cat, animal. Tadpole, animal. Priest, thing. Cooker, thing. Beer, animal. Cobbler, people. Jew, place. School, place. Crayons, things. Kitten, animal. Fox, animal. Book, thing. So these are given the common nouns, and you have to write the different types of common nouns as categorized in the books: things, animals, places, and peoples. Now go to the third question. The question is, read the following passage, write the missing collective nouns in the blank spaces. Now read the paragraph. Mom took Romi, Sahiba and Suhema went to the zoo. The zoo was very busy. A crowd of people. In this blank place you have to fill the collective noun. So collective noun of people is crowd. So you have to fill here crowd. A crowd of people had gathered around dash of monkeys, group of monkeys. Collective noun for monkeys is group. So you have to fill group. Group of monkeys. One of the monkeys had a bunch of bananas. Bunch. Watching the monkey eat made the children feel hungry. Mom took a piece of bread, piece, and some of cheese out of the picnic hamper, and everyone made sandwiches. After eating the sandwiches, the children had 2 packets of chocolate each. Packet. Rudy wanted to give one piece to the monkey, but the zookeeper gave Rudy a very useful advice. Monkeys may look friendly, but sometimes they are very fierce, he said. Now go to the question number 4. Look at the picture and write at least 7 sentences making each a collective nouns. So you have to make 7 sentences by using collective noun. For example, class, army, bunch. In this way there are so many collective nouns, and you have to make a sentence. Here you have to make 7 sentences by using collective. For example, army. Indian army is very strong. Class. There are 40 students in my class. In this way you have to use collective noun and make sentences. 7 sentences. Now go to the question number 5. Write proper nouns for the given common nouns. You know what is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, thing or animal. Proper noun matlab all the naming words that denotes to a particular person, particular place, particular thing or animal. For example, girl. Now you have to write here the name of 2 girls. For example, girl, you have to write name of 2 girls. For example, Meera and Sita. Animals name, for example, Diamond, Jack. Country, here you have to write down the name of 2 countries. For example, India. And second, you have to write any name of, yani you can write any name of any country. For example, India, Sri Lanka. Buildings name, you have to write 2 buildings. For example, Red Fort, Taj Mahal. Boy, proper noun for boys, Mohan, Rakesh. City, proper noun of city, Lucknow, Mumbai. States name, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. And rivers name, you have to write here two rivers name. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, so many. You can write anyone. So these are the exercises that is based on the teaching of noun and its kind. As I have taught you last week, the noun and its kind, and on its basis here are some exercises that is given in your book, and I have solved all the exercises. Now you have to pair this work in your copy, and it will be seen after when the school review. Okay, thank you.